that note, we're getting in breaking news also about the CBI investigation. Stay with us, Anupam. And all details of the CBI investigation is right here on India Today. Let's break it down for you. What exactly is the Central Bureau of Investigation looking into here? First, the former RJ Kar principal, Dr. Sandeep, being grilled repeatedly for the fourth time. He's been grilled by the CBI sleuths. Remember that he was ousted as the principal. He's the one who, in fact, told the parents that their daughter, the victim, had taken her life. The second angle that the CBI is looking into is about other medical students and whether they have any details about what really transpired. 4 medical students have been questioned. Now, women officers of the CBI are also currently at the victim's house, in all likelihood speaking to the parents, who just yesterday spoke out and made it very clear that they had no faith in the Kolkata police investigation. Now, besides that, the accused's psychology test is also being conducted by the CBI to ensure that all grounds are covered, also to ensure that there's adequate evidence on this. So these are, in fact, the details that we're picking up here on India Today. The CBI approaching this particular investigation from multiple fronts and ensuring that all angles are really looked into. A lot of questions being asked right now of the former principal of the RJ Kar Hospital, not just about the kind of provisions, the resources, the equipment and facilities for doctors, but also about how there was an alleged attempt to cover up this case, to go ahead and shield the authorities and management of the hospital by dismissing it as a suicide and even informing the parents as much. Now, besides that, there have been a lot of questions about when the incident actually happened. What about the other doctors who were there? There's been a lot of talk about an intern being involved, which, of course, is just chatter on social media at this point and nothing really that any investigative authority has given credence to. But having said that, the CBI, like I said, wants to ensure that they cover all grounds, which is why 4 medical students, we're being told, have also been questioned. Shreya Chatterjee is joining us with more details on this. Shreya, the CBI covering all bases here, looking into building up evidence against the accused with the psychology test by speaking to the parents, but also looking into possible involvement of more accused, the conspiracy angle that the parents also have spoken of.
Well, absolutely, Akshita. You know, the Central Bureau of Investigation won't be ruling out the possibility of evidence tampering, if at all, that has transpired in this particular incident. That's the reason we're seeing there are back and forth questionings that are happening. Of the former principal of RJ Kar Medical College, the chest HOD in concern, the other staff who were there present on that very night when the incident took place, the 4 doctors who had last met the victim. They had dinner and then subsequently she had gone to retire at the seminar hall. All of them are being questioned. The family members' version, remember, it becomes extremely crucial because the family member suggested that on the day when the incident happened, allegedly the assistant super of the hospital, the first information given to them was that of suicide. Why did this happen? The Central Bureau of Investigation would obviously go and question the assistant super if at all something like this transpired. So there is a lot of investigation that the CBI is right now doing to understand A, what transpired, and B, if at all there has been tampering of evidence. We already have a postmortem report that is now in the public domain, which clearly suggests brutal assault, 14 injury marks. So there has been medical proof of a sexual assault. Now the remaining test results that are yet to come will ascertain whether there were more than one individual involved. That will give CBI a better understanding to the case as well. So while they await the medical test report, CBI is right now taking versions of all those closely involved in the case to understand that whether there is a possibility of an involvement of any other people as being suggested, and whether there was an active involvement of the role of the hospital especially in tampering of evidence.
Shreya Chatterjee getting us all of those details, also where the investigation into the hospital is concerned. Does that explain why, Shreya, we're seeing the former principal of the RJ Kar Hospital being summoned repeatedly as well? That really remains a question. 4th round of questioning that's happening today as we speak. Thanks, Shreya, for joining us with those details.